G'day, Dan Galligan, Chief Executive Officer of CANEGROWERS Queensland, here with an important update on the way that CANEGROWERS has been responding to the COVID-19 pandemic. Over the last month, we've had two priorities. The first has been to ensure the safety and welfare of both the staff and the farmers that we interact with. We've done so by implementing the range of requirements put in place by the state and federal agencies to implement remote working arrangements and isolation restrictions, and essentially minimising the impact or the possible impact of the virus. We've had to change a range of things we do, but the important thing is we are still operational across all business units within CANEGROWERS, and most importantly, in terms of communication and advocacy on behalf of the industry. During this period, we've been very active in informing both state and federal governments around the policies associated with ensuring that agriculture is an essential service, in implementing those policies and making sure that we can work across the industry to inform the industry, but also respond and maintain the business of operating the supply chain of the Australian sugar industry. Working with the Federal Department of Agriculture and the Minister David Littleproud and Minister Furner at the state level, and a range of working groups throughout the state to ensure that both the industry is proactive in the way we look at COVID-19, but also preparing ourselves for the season ahead. Importantly, to respond to a range of those issues, we also convened an industry supply chain coordination group with the Australian Sugar Milling Council, Sugar Terminals Limited, Queensland Sugar Limited and Sugar Research Australia. And now we're meeting at least weekly and several times a week on many occasions to ensure we understand the risks to the supply chain, we're proactive in responding to the current government restrictions, and we've put ourselves in the best possible position to be ready for the crushing season ahead. Everyone in the supply chain is working very hard to ensure that we are ready to go when the mills are ready to go and the harvesters are ready to roll throughout this season. The most important thing is we must do all we can to minimise the spread of this virus. Everybody in the industry has a great opportunity to work together here to ensure that the season can go according to plan if we work together to implement the policies we need to implement, to restrict the movement of people where we have to, but also work together to minimise the spread of the virus, but keep the industry running. The government is focused on trying to make the industry run where the economy can run. We need to work together to make sure it does so safely. So that's what CANEGROWERS will continue to do. We'll continue to do that and at the same time advocate and respond to a range of other issues that continue to roll out across the industry, whether it be about water and electricity pricing, cane supply agreement negotiations, or preparing ourselves for the eventual Senate inquiry into reef regulations. We are ready and operating across all these fronts, but also working as an industry to make sure this industry keeps operating under these unprecedented times. If you need to know more about what CANEGROWERS is doing, we have a dedicated COVID-19 section of our website at canegrowers.com.au. By all means, be in touch. Call ahead to our district offices that are all fully operational. Be in touch by email, Facebook, social media. We're here to talk and listen to you and support this industry, and particularly the growers in the industry, be ready for the season ahead. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep in touch, and we'll be here to work for you.